My name is Carolyn Marie. I'm the president, CEO, and co-founder of Mix Labs, a US-based seed stage company exploring the intersection of blockchain art and music, curation and discovery through mixed media utility NFTs. From Gutenberg to Satoshi, and even Daft Punk, human beings have used technology to push ideas around the world harder, better, faster, stronger. As we dig deeper into the biggest problems plaguing the blockchain art and music ecosystems, let's first center our attention on the wisdom of the traditional art market. The primary misstep of the first art tech bubble being repeated in Web3 is the gross miscalculation of the scale and scope of the roles which intermediaries play in the traditional art market to coordinate and orchestrate generations-old social customs and rituals surrounding fine art collecting. Buyers and sellers only represent 20% of the overall market activity, leaving an overwhelming share of 80% going to the coordination and support of exchanges between buyers and sellers. Our solution is to recognize the significant role tastemakers, experts, and enthusiasts contribute to the long-term health of arts markets and the rituals which sustain them. We do this firstly through our mixed tokens, backwards and forwards compatible utility NFTs comprised of mixed media lists sourced from pre-existing NFTs and minters. We're offering a new tool for storytelling through curated blockchain native experiences and breathing a second life into stale NFT inventory. We use our tokens to reference other tokens to achieve new goals, not ownership, but organization of ideas for convenience and portability. NFTs that are out of circulation or out of reach price or supply-wise can now be referenced as easily as if they were in your wallet. Can't afford a Zancan? We're offering an accessible way to be a Zancan fan on-chain, not just on Twitter or some other private server. Additionally, we provide value to curators with our smart contract through the implementation of on-chain curator royalties written into every Mix utility token. Curators act like a glue or epoxy that hold ecosystems together, strengthening all its participants through social cohesion. We say it's time for that value to be recorded and rewarded on-chain. Designed for digital DIY distribution and shared experiences, we abolished scrolling in favor of automated browsing. Chasing a UX in between a shopping network and a gallery, we put QR codes front and left justified. Our mixed token utility lists were created to accelerate the pace at which exhibits in physical and virtual spaces and worlds can be deployed. We intentionally broke the fourth wall to quickly reach our audience with a call to action as a design element. We love QR codes for their aesthetic brutalism as much as their proven industrial utility. Every QR code links to a dynamic page containing artwork information and backlink to the marketplace platform associated with that NFT's production. Our roadmap revolves around driving development of 4 main revenue streams stemming from our utility NFTs. With phase 1 primarily concluded, we will begin to explore the levers of our business model as we find and refine product market fit. Along with increased exposure and legitimacy and acceptance of NFTs, there also comes increased calls for scrutiny of digital and physical arts markets, which are largely unregulated. The 2023 Art Basel and UBS Art Market Report indicates that there is, quote, less focus on booming prices and speculation. The debate has shifted to the longer-term impact of blockchain applications in the art market. With the proper alignment, blockchain protocols, investors, and builders of today can begin to serve and attract the large mass of wealth associated with the estimated $1 to $3 trillion in traditional arts assets that are estimated to exist in the world today. This vast reservoir of wealth is expected to begin to be unlocked as it changes generational hands over the next 3 to 5 years, according to Roxana Zarnagar and Dennis Belkvit's research. Broader acceptance and adoption of blockchain technology by the traditional art market over the coming years and decades is anticipated. What brings us together here today? In a word, intuition. We have each been early in our respective lanes and are united by overlapping interests with a shared passion for music and conviction that blockchain represents a digital paradigm shift. We are in the early phase of public alpha testing with our OG Tezos Arts community and have received positive feedback and much excitement. We plan to keep building through our fundraising sprint and begin hosting regular community meetings and outreach sessions. We are seeking a $1 million seed at a $10 million post-money valuation to fund full-time development of our roadmap. If you want to help create an enriching and enduring place for technology, arts, music, and culture to thrive for generations to come, we invite you to join us on our journey. For more information or to access our data room or code repository, please contact info@m1xlabs.com. Thank you for your time and attention. I'll take questions now.
Thank you, Caroline. That was awesome.
Great job. Great job. Enjoyed the presentation. So quick question. Now, the term labs in the name of companies usually refers to a research and development R&D process and continuous creation of different sub-projects or startups under one umbrella brand. Are you planning to expand to collaborations in the NFT sector or focus only on art and music?
Yeah, short answer, yes. The vision, ambition, and experimental spirit of our team and a company is aligned with the R&D category. Longer answer, thinking about the future, we wanted to preserve our token name and our company name such that its origin would remain clear. Labs was suggested by our co-founder and CTO, Lisa Sheridan. It's an apt descriptor and intentionally leaves the door open to a range of umbrella possibilities. Aside from the music, art, and tech category, we see applications in areas including, but not limited to, gaming assets, virtual real estate, fandom and collectible memorabilia, as well as the PFP category and beyond. If it can be tokenized and explored, it can be organized. If it can be organized, it can be analyzed. If it can be analyzed, it can be optimized. We are eager to keep experimenting with each step of the Web3 data value chain evolution. Curiosity is one of our company values, and we operate by the FAFO principle: fork around and find out. We're here to have fun, working hard, developing tools to make blockchain a more seamless experience for the next 100 million users. We are Mix Labs, and we are a blockchain native research and development lab with a disco ball.
With a disco ball. So yeah, we promised our audience the disco ball. So but before we launch the disco ball, let me also confess that the other two co-founders are really amazing. I mean, from your team, Lisa Sheridan is one of the best CTOs we've met so far, and Ryan Tanaka is one of the opinion leaders in Web3. So yeah, I just can congratulate you having such a great team.
Great friends too.
Yeah. So let's mix my second question with the disco ball. Could you please elaborate more on what has been made on Tezos so far?
Absolutely. Please roll the video. Okay. The following is a brief demo of our DApp, which was recorded at various stages of our build. As the accelerator got underway, Lisa was already testing our smart contract on GhostNet. And during the program, contact with Tezos tech mentors helped her to solidify the research she had done prior to the accelerator. From the outset, it was important to us that we could build not only a strong minimum lovable product, but that we could build a minimum monetizable product and be confident the security of our financial transactions is airtight. Today, minting our native Mix token is live on Tezos mainnet. People can connect their wallets, explore their own collections, explore our feeds, and search for NFTs. People can create and mint on-chain curated lists of NFTs with any Tezos-based NFTs. Currently, our support is for the major minters associated with the most popular and early niche Tezos NFT platforms such as Hen, Taya, FX Hash, Object.com collections, as well as Rarible, Versum, 8Bidoo, 8Scribo, and Typed Art. And we're very much looking forward to adding some new platforms and minters. Curator royalties for each curated list are written on-chain and currently set at 1%, which is a starting point we feel is appropriate for the market we're in. The percentage can be revised in later versions or for specific use cases. The next phase of our development involves adding support for purchases of underlying NFTs through our UI using our curator royalties. Additionally, we will begin polishing our players in the preparation for cloning of players to offer a decidedly experimental UX as we explore ways to combine mixed media NFTs, and discover how people can use existing NFTs as inputs. Our Tezos
Disco ball from it.
Yes. Our Tezos roots are strongest in the art and music space, and as OGs in the web and crypto spaces, we understand that the value of evolving networks is positively correlated with the amount of cool stuff happening on said networks. Our mission is to improve the UX of blockchain art and music such that it can be enjoyed by a wider audience, and to enable everyone from enthusiastic boosters to professionals to benefit from curator royalties for NFT sales referrals. Basically, to bring tools for word of mouth marketing to Web3, or to put it even more simply, to build an engaging people-powered ad network with no ads, just art. Thank you again for your time and attention here today.
Perfect.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Caroline, so much.
Thank you, Dennis.
That
Jeff.
was awesome, and have a good morning there at Hawaii.
Thanks.